Okay, hello. So let's start collection framework. Collection framework is the most widely used things in Java. And in interview, lots of questions comes from the collection framework. And the classes found in the package java.util. Util means utility. It will make our life easier. What is collection framework actually? Collection framework is the data structure in Java programming language. Data structure, what is data structure? What do you mean by data structure? Data structure is the way of storing data in memory for easy retrieval and manipulation. Like we have so many wealth, we have million and billion dollars. So what we will do, we will invest some money in property, invest some money in shares, gold, bonds, some liquid money, something like some different ways we will invest our money. Why we are doing? For sake of convenience, when we need liquid money, I will go for the bank, something like that. So when we have large amount of data, we need to store into the RAM in an efficient way. The way of storing data is called data structure. The very basic data structure is an array. In array we can store multiple elements on the same name. Suppose I create an array. Let's say int arr equal to new int, let's say 5. So you can see this uh, the name of the array is arr, and it can store any five numbers. And if I change this thing to the string, that's mean this array can store any five strings. So you can see we are storing five different type of strings into the one variable, in the name of one variable. This is the one way, and it's very basic way, very easy way to storing data in the Java programming language, that is array. But the problem with the array is very good, array is very nice, very easy. But the problem with array is the size of the array is fixed. The size of the array is fixed, means we created the array of 5. So we cannot change the size after the creation. Size of the array will not change after the creation, means whether we store 5 elements or 0 elements, size remains same. So what if I needed to add a 6th element or 7th element? I have to create a new array with new size, means every time we have to create a new data structure, new array, when the size is required more. So, but on the other hand, collection framework don't have this problem. Collection framework classes are dynamically growable and changeable. If we add 5 element, the size will be 5. If we add 5 more element, it will become size 10. If we add 10 more elements, it will become size 20. If we remove 15 elements, size again become 5. Don't worry, we will see this thing. So let's start collection framework. Okay, I'm going to show you a diagram. Now you can see this diagram. Okay, collection framework. These APIs, these classes, these interfaces together make collection framework. Okay, and it is found in java.util package. Sorry for typo, L is missing here. All classes are found in the java.util package from the collection. Leave the iterable right now. Start from the collection. In Java, we have C capital collection interface. How I know its interface? How I know its interface? Because it's I. I wrote it I. That's why you can check it. Okay, interface. Now collection interface have two sub interfaces. One is set another one is list. One is set, another one is list. Again, set is an interface and list is an interface. But here we can see there are three different classes which implements list. So I can say we have three type of list in Java. Vector is a kind of list, array list is a kind of list, linked list is a kind of list. So definitely we should know the difference between all these, but right now we are not going to in that part. So list, how many types of list we have in Java? Can anybody tell me? Yes, how many types of list we have in Java?
Three?
Yeah, three types: vector, array list, and linked list. Very simple. Set, let's come to the set. Set have direct implementation, that is has set. Means there is only one class you can see that is has set. One more interface, that is sorted set inherits set, and the implementation class for sorted set is the tree set. Okay, tree set. Wow. In this diagram there are few classes and interfaces. We have so many classes interfaces in the name of collection framework. This is not all but few. Okay, so don't assume ki we have only these things in the collection framework. We have lots of more classes and interfaces, but I only mention here very few and most common things. Fine. So how many types of collection we have? In collection framework we will learn three types of collection: list, set, map. Okay, list, set, map. You can see here list, set, map. But if you see this diagram clearly, set is a collection, list is a collection, but map is not a collection. Set is a collection, list is a collection, but map is not a collection. Why? Because map interface doesn't inherit collection interface, but still map is a part of collection framework API. Map is not a collection. That's mean map interface does not inherit collection interface, but map is a part of the collection framework API. So basically we have three types of data structure. We have some list, we have some sets, we have some maps. Okay, so when we use list, when you use set, and when we go for map, so can anybody tell me? List can contain duplicate elements. Okay, list maintains insertion order. Lists are indexed. Okay, this is the thing about the list. List can contain duplicates element. List maintains insertion order. Lists are indexed. Set provide uniqueness. Set by uniqueness means no duplication or no duplicate elements, no, no duplicate element allowed. Wow. B has set does not provide does not maintain any order means random order. Okay. She said stores data in sorted order. There is one more link said linked has set stores data in insertion order. So you can write something like this. Let's say store data in random order means no ordering. Okay. Don't worry, I will explain each and everything. Map it is a key value pair. 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 Basically, okay, let me write the properties. It should be unique. Values can be duplicate. Key should be unique. Values can be duplicate. Okay. So let's start some programming exercise so you can get the better understanding. Set is a collection. List is a collection. What do you mean by? Means collection interface have few methods, and those methods can be used with set and can be used with list, because set and list are the implementation of the collection interface. Let me show you. Control Shift T, collection. You can see we have collection I interface and we have one more class, collections C. So collections S last is a class and collection simple is an interface. So let me talk about the interface. This is the interface. Okay, Control O, you can see the method, lots of methods. Size, empty, contains, to array, add, remove, contains all, add all, remove, lots of methods. Yeah, you can see, and these methods can be used with set as well as list. So let me show you these method on the set first, then I will use same methods on the list. Okay, so you can get the better clarity. set demo 1 package new. Sorry. Main method. Suppose I want to create a set. So how to create object of set? Set equal to new set, but it is giving error. Why giving error? Why it is giving error? Can anybody tell me? Hmm? Why it is giving error? Can anybody tell me?
Because you have a set in a small letter.
It's a variable name. So let's make it ABC. What's the problem?
Oh,
See here, na. Set is an
no.
interface. Nobody can create object for interface. Nobody can create object of interface because interface object we cannot, interface does not allow instantiation. Okay, I'm getting my point. So how to create a set? Use class. Give me the name of class which inherits set, that is hash set. So what I can do, I can create a hash set. Its STL error is just import error from java.util package, from java.util package. No, error gone. Yellow lines are warning. We will not take care of those things. Just a minute. Okay, so let me check. This is the set. Okay, it is just like a collection or container which can store some values. I will store, but let me check what is the size. So how we can check the size of the any collection? You can see Control Shift T, collection interface, Control O. There is a size method. The size method returns the number of element in the collection. Wow. So let me write size. Set variable. This is the variable. It can be any name. Dot. Let's say fruits. Okay. So fruits dot size. How many fruits we have currently? Tell me. How many fruits we have in the set? Okay. How many fruits we have in the set? 0, because you never added any fruits. So definitely the size will be 0. And you can check whether it's empty or not. This method is empty. Is empty is true because there is no fruits. Now how to add a fruit? It's very easy. Fruits dot add method, and I can pass a fruit. Let's say apple. Sorry, apple. Apple. Let me add few more fruits. Guava, orange. So let me write same thing after the adding fruits. Yes, let me write Now what is the size of fruits? Tell me.
3. Yeah.
3, because I added how many fruits? 3 fruits. This is clear or not?
Yes, clear.
Okay, let me add few more fruits. Let me add few more fruits. Fruits dot add banana. Fruits dot add some more apples. Yeah. Now tell me, what will be the size?
4.
Sorry,
5.
5. Okay. Anyone else?
Maybe 4 because apple will
Maybe 4 because apple.
be is gonna take the same.
Okay. Very good. Very good. You can see set provide uniqueness means no duplicate element will allow. In this case, it will add apple, okay, it will add guava, okay, oranges, okay, banana, okay. But if we try to add apple, it will ignore silently. Okay. Let me print also fruit. Let me print also fruit also. This is how fruits itself. Now you can see the size will be 4 and apple comes once. Size is size is
4
and how many times apple comes?
twice.
Only once. But can you see something strange? You add apple first, then guava, then oranges, then banana. But it changed the order. Yes or no?
Yeah.
That's why I said this point. Has said store data in random order. Yes?
Yeah. It doesn't have to be the same.
Yeah, if I want sorted order, what I can do? Just change your hash set to the tree set. And let's run this program, same program. Tree set store data in a sorted order. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Alphabetical order.
Yeah, sorted order, alphabetical order.
Yeah.
You can see now. A for apple, B for banana, G for guava, O for orange. Yes? But you want no. I want that order in the same in which I insert. Means first apple, then guava, then orange, then banana. Means I want to present insertion order. So we should use
Linked has said.
linked hash. Import control S, control S, right click, run as same order in which we insert. Getting my point? So if somebody asks you in the interview what is the difference between hash set, tree set and link set, so you can say all three are sets. They will store elements in a unique form, but hash set will store data in a random order, means no order. Tree set store sorting order, and linked will store data in the insertion order. Yes, clear or not?
Yeah.
So definitely I am going to change my code hash set like this. Okay, fine. So we covered size method, we covered isempty method, we covered add method. Okay, wow. Now I want to remove fruits dot remove, let's say guava. What happened? Sys out fruits. Let's see what happened. Definitely guava will be removed from the fruits. Yeah, earlier it have guava, but right now no guava. Yes, yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
But if you remove fruits dot remove strawberry, what happened? What happened?
There is no strawberry.
Yeah, actually there is no strawberry, so it will not do anything. Okay, means there is no error, no compile time error. If there is, if you are trying to remove an element which is not exist, yes, no problem. If element exists like guava, it will remove from the set. If it is not exist, no worries. Fine. Now contains, I want to check whether particular type of elements found or not. Contains, before removing, yeah, tell me, removing code is below, that's why. Tell me whether this set of fruits contains guava or not.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
True.
it's true. Let me show you. True. Let me check this thing. B1, B1. B2. Tell me, this is found or not? This will not found because strawberry is not in the set. Yes or no? Yes or no?
What's that?
Yes. So actually what you are doing, you can add elements, you can remove elements, you can search element also. Contains what you're doing? Searching. Whether this particular element is found or not. Clear?
Mhm.
Contains is empty to e remove, okay. Clear. If I want to remove all the elements from the set, what I will do? Clear. The last you can see there is no element, size becomes 0 and is empty become true. Yes? Yes? How,
Yes.
how easy? How easy to work with collection framework? For every task, for every deed, we have few methods. So this is demo 1. Now I am going to create a bulk operation. Control C, Control V. Set demo 2. Let's create friends. Friends. So let's friends let's say Tushar, Agam, Mubashir, Arif, Atif. Yeah, these are my college friends, just for example. I created one more set, office friends. Office friends. And let's add the office friends. Praveen, Osman, Ravi, let's say Arif one more time. Okay, so we have two set of friends. One is my friends and one is my office friends. Okay, fine. So I'm going to perform bulk operation. Bulk operation. Control Shift T, collection framework, Control O. You can say contains all, add all, remove all. Okay, these things. Add all. If I want to merge all friends, office and college friends, means I want to merge office friends with the college friends. So college friends dot add all office friends. Tell me the size of the array and elements of the office college friends dot size. Can anybody tell me what goes inside the college friends?
5.
So add all is just like a union. If you remember mathematics, in the mathematics we have union.
Calculus.
Yeah, calculus is something different. When we have union in the set theory, Samuchaya Siddhant. Okay. In the union, we have two different set. We can add elements. So common element means no duplicate will allowed. So we have Tushar, we have Azam, we have Mubashir, we have Atir, we have Arif. From here we have Praveen, we have Usman, we have Ravi, but Arif won't come because it's a unique element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, and from 3 here the size will be 8. Yeah, size is 8. Arif comes once, Atif, Ravi, Tushar, Azam, Mubashir, Praveen, Usman. Yes, add all. We can add one type of set into another type of set. All elements of one set to the another set. Yes, add all. Now I don't want to go with this because if I did, so it will impact my another operation. Now another operation is remove all. Remove all means the kind of minus operation. It will remove all office friends from the college friend. So Praveen will be removed from the college friend. Okay, it is impacted or not? If I remove from the college friends, if I remove Praveen from the college friend, it will affect on the college friend or not?
It will not.
No.
For the Usman,
No.
for the Ravi,
No.
no, because Ravi is not existing here. But Arif, yeah, Arif will be removed. So what will be the size of the college friends now? It should be 4. It should
Only
be
4?
4. And the values will be Tushar, Azam, Mubashir and Atir. Okay, let's see.
So if it is a common element, it will remove that common element?
I am saying it will remove all the elements which is same as the office friends. Means Praveen will be removed, Usman will be removed. Means there will be no Praveen in this thing. There will be no Usman in this thing. There will be no Ravi in this thing. There will be no Arif in this thing. Yes, minus operation. Getting? So let me write the output also. Just a minute. Before output will be this. Just one more minute. Yeah, in the union we have this thing. In the minus we have this thing. Now we have another operation, that is retain all. Retain all. Same thing I'm going to perform here. Retain all. Retain all is just like an intersection. Now here we can say common elements. So can you tell me what are the common element between these two? Arif. Arif is my college as well as office friend. Okay. So it should be 1, I think, and the answer will be Arif. So let's see if it's work or not. Yes. Okay. So this is the bulk operation. Now the main thing, the most important thing which I'm going to tell you. Suppose we have some elements, how to iterate, how to get the elements from the set. This is the most important demo. Okay. Delete everyone. And I just rename my friends. Suppose I have these many friends. So I want to print the name of the friends. So it's very easy. This is how. Print the set itself. Print all values of a set. It's very easy. It's very easy. Just print the set. But you are printing all the values. You are not accessing the values. Means I want Tushar, I want to do something, then I will print it. I want Azam, then I want to do something, I will print it. Okay. So let's do something. So there is a way number 1, how to access elements of the set. To use to convert array by using to array method. Okay, so let's see. Friends dot to array method. I will call to array method. So it will convert our set into the array object, and in the array we can use index wala for loop int I equal to 0, I less than arr dot length I plus plus sys out, not sys out, but let's say object one element equal to arr of index I, and I will print elements one by one. Right click, okay, just for example sys out right click, run as Java application. Yeah, you can see, but what is the problem? Okay, so somebody asked me why are you using array, cannot use this thing on the loop on the set directly. Okay, let me write. I'm trying to apply index wala for loop on the threads. So I need something here, I need something here. So we don't have length, but we have size. Wow, we have size method. It's fine, but there is no way to get data from the set by using index. There is no way. There is no way to get the data from the set by using an index. That's why we are not applying index for loop on that list. We cannot apply. Yes, this part is clear. This part is clear or not? There is no method for set to get an element by using an index. So I use this way, but again this is not a recommended way, not recommended. Why? Because you are trying to convert whole set into the array. It requires more CPU power, more computation power, so it's degrade the performance of the application. So what will be the second way? What will be the next way? Way to use for each loop. For each loop. Yes, we covered for each loops in the loop portion. Yeah, for each loop, enhance for loop, use with arrays and collection. Now it's turn to run collection, that's why it's very easy. Create for loop and object element colon friends. Wow, and just print the friends. How cool. Every time you are getting one element from the friends and you are just printing, means we can do so many things with the element, but we don't have right now anything, that's why. Wow, print. Wow. Third way. Yes, there are third way also. Using Java 8 for each method. Using Java 8 for each method. Here for each loop. here for each method. Okay, how we can? We have friends. We are trying to getting a stream dot for each time each element come, and what I will do, I will print the elements is out. Something like that. Might be you are not able to understand this syntax, no worries. This is the third way to print the elements. You can see. Even we can write better syntax. Hmm. Yes. Same thing. So tell me honestly, which one the easy means? Which one is easy?
Maybe the second one.
No, third one.
The last one? Yeah.
Last one means might be you are not able to understand.
But
That's why you can say ki,
syntax is complicated.
sorry.
The syntax is very long, right?
Yeah, means in case of line number 46, it's a one line thing, and we are using very few words: friends, stream, for each. And how cool! Although you are not able to understand this thing properly because you are never see this type of code, but still I'm saying it's a very easy. On the second number, this syntax is easy. On the third number, it is, but I already said not recommended. So I will never use this thing. I can, but I never use it. Mostly for set, I will use this thing or this thing. Yes, this part is clear. If we have set, how to iterate the elements from the set. This part is clear or not? बड़ी धीरे आवाज आ रही है भाई, नहीं क्लियर है क्या?
I have a question. Like, this number 3 way is only using Java 8 or for anybody using other versions also?
Java 8 and onwards, but we cannot use this thing in Java 7 or 6.
Okay, thank
Even
you.
you can use it in Java 18. I'm using Java 17. See, I'm using Java 17. It's working fine. Java 8 means 8 and onwards. Java 9 means 9 and onwards. Some feature comes in Java 17, that means 17 and onwards. Okay.
Okay.
So this is something about set. Let's do same thing with list. Same thing with list. I create P2 package. First, I will come here. I will rename it set demo. No, list demo. Rename the file. Okay. And we are going to create a list. So we will remove list and leave this thing right now. And we have three type of implementation classes: vector, array list, and linked list. I will go for array list first. So instead of hash set, I will create object of array list. Any question? And you can see rest program is same. But tell me here, we add these many fruits, what will be the size of the list? Tell me. What will be the output of line number 27?
5?
5, yes, because you can see the definition. You can see the definition. List can contain duplicate elements. Yes, list can contain duplicate elements. So yes, size will be 5. And see, it's almost same like a set, but the thing is, it can allow duplicate elements. Yes or no?
Yes.
And list maintain insertion order, in which you insert the data, it will maintain by default. Okay. 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 Second, bulk operation, same as set. Same as set. No need of any change. It can be a list. It can be a array list. And it should be performed same operation. Same operation. But here, I think answer will be different. Here might be answer will be different. You can see there is a 9 and arif comes twice. Why? Because it is set. It is list. Getting or not?
Yes.
Rest everything will be same for the list. Now, this is the main part I am interested. Wow. Where are? List demo 3. Change set to list. Change array list. Control X. Yes. So print all value of the list. Okay. Just 1 minute. This is number 1. To convert list by using array. To convert set into an array. Yeah, same thing we can apply on the list, because list is a collection, but still it's not a good thing. List is a collection, we can use this thing also. List is a collection, we can use this thing also without any problem. Everything will be fine. You can see convert list into the arrays. Everything is fine, but we have one more way. With the list. Fourth way is using index for loop. Index for loop. Wow. Index for loop means we have same thing. Yes. Yeah. The set have problem. There is no method for set to get the element by using index, but there is a method for the list, and the method name is the get. Dot get, where we can pass the index. Wow. How cool. So you can get the element through the index also. You can say by index for loop. Yes or no? This is the one difference between the set or list. List have get method, and by which we can pass index and get the value. Clear? Clear or not?
Yeah.
Yes. But let me clear one more thing. Every collection is iterable. What is the meaning by iterable? So let's come back to the set. Let's come back to the set and weigh 3. Now it's 4 by using iterator. By using iterator. Wow. It's another way. What is the way? I'm telling you. Frets dot iterator. I will call a method. It will give the iterator. It will give the iterator. Okay, now I have an iterator. So Basanti Nacho. Basanti Nacho. शोले फिल्म देखी आप लोगों ने? गब्बर सिंह वाली फिल्म देखी है शोले?
Yeah.
उसमें गब्बर कहता है ना बसंती से, बसंती नाचो, तो बसंती पूछती कब तक के, वो कहता है तब तक जान, तब तक के, तो while loop नाचो, कब तक के, iterator has next element, until we have next element nacho. Okay, so how we'll get the next element? How we'll get the next element? In the array we will get next element something like that. In the for each we will get every time next element, but here we will get next element by calling next method. Iterator dot next. It will give the element. You can see by using iterator. Wow. Same thing can be applied on the list? Yes, definitely. Copy. Sorry. Copy this thing and paste here. But I will change the number. This will be the 5th way for the list. Same thing. Right click. But again, list have one more type of iterator. 6th way. Using list iterator. Oh my god, list iterator. What is the meaning by list iterator? Let me show you. Instead of this, I will call list iterator. It will give list iterator. Alright. What is the difference between iterator and list iterator? Normal iterator can only iterate in a forward direction, but list iterator can do forward direction as well as backward direction. Let's say has next, no, has previous. Sorry, it's a list iterator. Has previous, yes, list iterator dot previous. Same here, list iterator dot has next, list iterator dot next. Yes. This is the 6th way. In the 6th way, you can iterate forward direction as well as backward direction. Let's see. Yeah. तुषार, आजम, मुबश्शिर, आतिर, आरिफ, आरिफ, आतिर, reverse, आतिर, आरिफ, मुबश्शिर, आजम, तुषार. By using this structure. Whatever the possible way in Java, I wrote in the single place for you only. So